Welcome to Beastride DIY. I'm at Lowe's to show you some of their Father's Day deals going on. Now when you first walk in the store, sometimes they have this big sign or a flyer, and they did actually have quite a few deals going on. I was surprised. Now starting off, this kind of coincides with the Craftsman days, apparently. Now jumping right in, this is for $1.99. When you buy their combo kit with the blower and the trimmer, you can get one free select item, and I'm going to show you what those items are. Now this is the combo kit here. You get the weed whacker, as well as the blower. Now you're also going to get a battery and a charger, and these are some of the free items. One is so this is the job site Craftsman Bluetooth speaker. Now I think all these have a 3-year warranty. You've got the spotlight. You can choose this as one of the quote tools. This is a Craftsman 4 amp hour battery. They do have a cordless fan, which I could have used that today. It was in the 90s today here. 3-year warranty, of course, on that. You've got a wet dry vac. This is a 2-gallon wet dry vac. Now, just on the other wall right here for $3.29, this is when you buy a mower, you're going to get a free kit, and that's on the left here, this trimmer or blower. So you can choose one or the other, but this is the mower. So it's up to 50 minutes of runtime. It's a 20-inch cordless mower, which is a pretty decent size. I'd say a medium to large size, and you're getting 2 batteries and 2 chargers, I think, with this as well. This is the blower. It is the tool only, but you'll get the battery, I think, with the mower anyway. This is going to be the hedge trimmer. Again, decent size. You can choose what you need when you're doing yard work, whether it's the hedger or the blower. So there were quite a lot of deals. I was very surprised when I walked in. I thought I was going to be making a sarcastic video. But that is not the case. Now for $129, you can choose the trimmer or the blower here. And I think they both come with 2 batteries and a charger. This is the leaf blower kit, and it's showing you what all it comes with. $129, I think you're saving $20 or $30 here, or you can choose the weed whacker. Now this is the CM VersaStack system tower for $99. I think it was like $139 or $149. This is what it looks like. They had this all tied up, and I couldn't really open it up, unfortunately. I think it had an alarm on it as well. But I do like the look of this, and I'll show you the one right behind it, which is just a little bit taller, but still from Craftsman. Now for $19.98, this is part of their Craftsman days. It was $34. It's a 20-piece VersaStack add-on here. It's their Mechanics 20-piece toolkit, SAE and metric. And then they also had, this one's a really good deal, $69.98. It was $124. They're saying this is a $360 value on this 64-piece Mechanics kit. And this is it right down here. It looks like it comes with quite a bit of items, and really a decent deal. It's $69. It was over $100. Now, to the left of that here, we had for $37.98. This is the 2-drawer plastic toolbox. Again, you can put it on the VersaStack, but only a few dollar savings here. Now, I was pretty surprised because Klein Tools, they had some deals as well, kind of lining up with Father's Day. I think they had their mod boxes. Basically, they were all on sale. That one was for $99. This was $119. I think that one was like $139. And then this one here is $49. That was like $74. So again, these were alarmed up, but really good deals on the small ones and all the different sizes. Again, surprised, but I think they're just aligning up with the Father's Day deals. Now, right in the middle of the store, these were some tiles, like backsplash tiles on clearance for 25% off. They had some really nice tiles. I'm not sure why these were 25% off. It said they started at 25% off, so that was the lowest. Some were even higher than that. Now, this is some flooring, 25% off as well. I think laminate flooring. Now, this is a workstation, $100 off at $398. This comes in all different colors. This is the white one, but I think they all have the wooden color tops, which I like. And this is the blue colored one, just to get an idea of what they look like. Now from Craftsman, again, this is a limited time deal. You get a free select tool when you purchase one of the V20 leaf blowers and the trimmers here, the weed whackers. Now this is the combo kit. You're going to be getting a 5 amp hour battery as well as a charger, which is really nice. Would be nice if they included a second one, but you can't ask for too much there. You do get a free tool, and I think those were just a few of the different tools. Now from Tough Built, they had some of these items on clearance. This just is a little workstation, $43. It was $60 and just pops on your Tough system. These are some different accessories. This is a Flex Stack pack rack shelf for $21. And they had some other accessories here, like a level attachment for $9, and then a cord attachment for your Versa stack for $7. Now they also had some pretty good deals. This one's a really good deal, $51. I think it was over $100. Yeah, $142. And this is a 2-shelf tough built system, and I'm going to show you what it looks like when they have a ton of them here. But this is what it looks like. It obviously fits the tough systems and clicks in quite nicely with that. Now, when you buy one of these, the 13-inch string trimmer kit, where you get everything pictured here with the battery and charger, or the 4 amp hour and 2 amp hour starter kit, you can get one of these tools for free, and this is up to a $99 value. A lot of these were gone here, but they still had some up in the top row, but I won't name all of these, but I'll show you these. You can pause the video if you are interested in some of these. They have like a circular saw, jigsaw ratchet, Bluetooth speaker, mini circular saw, and they did have some yard items as well. Just $2 off on these, but it's still something for the price of them. Some off bug spray where you hook it up to your hose, and then a fogger for your backyard as well. Now from Craftsman, I still think this is a really good deal. This is a 6-tool kit for $199. It was $299, so you're saving $100 on this combo kit. You're getting all the tools in the picture above, and I think you get 2 batteries, a charger, and a contractor bag. Now this is a good deal where you get the 56-volt battery free. This is from EGO when you buy one of their mowers or trimmers, I believe. Let me know in the comments if you tried this brand. I haven't, but $299. This is the deal on the string trimmer. It was $329. Their products are a little bit more expensive, but I hear they are really good. But let me know what you think in the comments. I personally have not tried one, but they do look pretty cool, so that's a plus. This is a 21-inch select cut mower. This does come with the battery and charger for $599. It was $699, so you are saving $100 on this. And these are the specs on it here. Again, a nice sleek design, and you are getting, I think, 70 minutes of runtime, so that is quite a bit on the battery, and it of course comes with the battery and charger. Now next from Craftsman is this Trade Stack Pro Tower for $149. So pretty good savings on this one. These are not the red and clear color, but I do like this because it looks like it's more rugged than the other Craftsman Tough Set or whatever it's called. These do have the little cubbies on each side, and they have 6 little compartments, so we're able to separate things, and I think they have that down the line through each one. Now, if you look at the size, this one is a little bit taller than the other Craftsman one, but just by a few inches. Now from Greenworks, this is the 2500 PSI pressure washer. This is going to be $299. You're saving $50. It was $349. Now this does have a nice look. I really like the green color, but you've got the hose on top here. You have the different nozzles, and then you also have the turbo nozzle here. Another thing with this one, the handle is really sturdy. It doesn't feel fake and flimsy, and the design as well has that nice curve here, which is going to be pretty good when you're trying to roll it. Now this is from Kobalt for $349. You're saving $100 here. It was $449. It's now $349. Again, a really good deal on this mower, and this is what it looks like. I think this is one of the ones included on the, you get a free item as well with it, but don't quote me on that. Now down the aisle here, these are the Craftsman mowers out of the box. So remember that $329 one where you get the free deals with that, or the free blower and trimmer? This is what that one looks like on the right here. The one on the left I think is a little bit bigger, but that's $429. Now right here for $469, this is going to be a savings of $30. This is the Smart Stow Toro mower, and this is of course not electric, but I really like my Toros. I grew up on them and have been using them for a long time. Now for $499, these were some generators. First it was $659, so you're saving $160. This is the 49 state 2500 watt generator. It's got a 3-year warranty, and a nice thing as a safety measure here, they have that CO detection just in case, so it'll automatically shut off if it is detecting that. Now this is a nice power station. I don't really know this brand. This is Anchor Solix for $489. You're saving almost $100 on this one. Now they did have some grill deals, but they didn't have them labeled in store. They might be in the actual flyer, but this is $100 savings on this Pit Boss 1150 DX series grill. So this does use wood pellets. It has the little chimney on the side, but just look at all that space, guys. You have that nice deep top deck here, and then you have the standard size on the bottom. It seems a little bit wider. I really like this front shelf here. because even though you're taking away with that wood pellet side, they do give you a shelf in the front, which I really like because I would put plates here or other items. Now, don't forget the scratch and dent section, guys. This is right in the middle of the store, and a lot of these were half off, and they look just fine. I mean, you wouldn't even notice something, but you might as well just take those deals rather than spending thousands of dollars for a new one. Now, this is up to $75 off. This is a tiered system on these flex deals for the Father's Day deals. You get over $269. When you spend that amount, you'll save up to $75. Now, this is your choice for $145. You get this 2-tool set, or this impact driver set, or the blower and weed whacker for this price. This is the 1/2-inch mid-torque impact driver. This is the 5-year warranty weed whacker and the blower here. And then I didn't see the box of the the drill driver kit. But now Craftsman, they did have an accessory area as well where you're going to be saving a few bucks on these items. They did have their 25-piece kit here, which is, has the drill bits and the other bits for $19.98. I think it was like $22, so you're saving $4, saving $5 on this hole saw kit with all the accessories there. And then $9.98 for their oscillating blade kit. And then they had some circular saws, blades as well. And for $99, this is going to be $50 off. It was $149 on this 2-tool kit. So this is cool because it comes with 2 batteries, a charger, and a contractor bag. So you're getting the drill driver there, a really nice deal. And again, they're saying it's a $246 value. And again, guys, if you are finding value on this video, please hit the like button and leave a comment if there's something you want to pick up. I would really appreciate it, and the algorithm would as well. Now, these are some Kobalt nailers. You're going to be saving $50 to $60 on these Kobalt nailers. These were pretty much in stock, but it's a different story for these Craftsman ones. I'm not sure if it's because it's the Craftsman days. 16 gauge, this is a 149 nailer. It was $189 and then $139. This is now $99 for this nailer. Now, Craftsman, I can't remember if I talked about this, but this is the 4 amp hour and 2 amp hour starter kit. When you spend $99, you're going to get one of these free select tools. So I was very impressed, guys, with these deals at Lowe's. I kind of thought I was going to make a sarcastic video, but they had a lot of pretty decent deals. Now, for $149 on Kobalt, your choice, you can get the battery starter kit or the 24-volt pruning kit, and you'll get one of these free select tools pictured here. Now, Dewalt did have some deals on these combo deals, the 2-combo tool kit for $169, or for $99, you can get one of the kits on the left. For $29, this is usually a really good deal, $20 off. Realistically, I've never seen it for $49. This is always on sale, but it is a good deal, I think. It's a $111 kit. This is the oscillating saw kit. This is going to be $34. It was $49. Now, next up, this is a miter saw from Dewalt. It's going to be $249. It was $329. You really don't see their miter saws on sale that much. This is the 12-inch. Now, this is the single bevel miter saw, but really anything under $300 from Dewalt is pretty rare. So pretty good deal here. They did have their saw blades on sale as well. $49. It was $59 on their 10-inch 2-pack of saw blades, or $59, which was $69 on their 12-inch 2-pack of saw blades. And next to that, they did have some, this is for $69.98. It's $10 off. It's a wet dry vac from Dewalt, and this comes with the whole kit, everything you'll need. And they also had their 2-pack of the 4 amp hour lithium ion battery kit or the 5 amp hour starter kit. Now, you get 1 free tool for the 4 amp hour kit and 2 free tools for the 5 amp hour kit. And you can pause the video, go back and see all the tools listed up top if you are interested. Now, from Metabo HPT, they did have some free deals. Nothing spectacular, but they did have a free 2.5 amp hour battery, and then a free 1/4-inch impact driver bit set. It's a 50-piece set when you buy their 1/4-inch brushless impact driver. Now, I did check out their back wall, I guess they call it. It's not the back rooms, but there wasn't really many clearance items that I was interested in. I actually found the clearance items just sitting in the regular aisles. Like, check out this $99 6-gallon pancake air compressor. think it was over 140 something dollars like that. So you can find some really good deals just going up and down the aisles. And guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and a comment below if you found something you want or something you want to hit up for Father's Day.